Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a trendy aesthetic edits on TikTok, the kind that grabs attention and fits right to your For You feed. Let's break it down. First, all you need to do is to pick a trending audio. Go to TikTok search or explore your saved sounds. Then here, choose your clips. Use a soft lighting, pastel colors, or vintage vibes that for aesthetic look. Use also a TikTok built-in CapCut templates or edit with CapCut VN or InShot for more control. And here you can also add a smooth transitions like spin, swipe, or more. Then, aesthetic edits are all about flow. You can also apply filters like retro, warm, or dust for that dreamy finish. You can also add a text in stylish fonts, try script for minimalist type faces, and time them for the beat. And keep that edit clean and cohesive. Don't overcrowd with effects. And that's how you make a trendy aesthetic edits on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.